Hello everybody, I'm going to be doing an unboxing of a rare Blu-ray release of the new film Moneyball that Brad Pitt is in. This is actually a rare version because you can only find it at Wal-Mart. It's an exclusive 3-disc combo pack. In most places it was released as a Blu-ray and DVD or just a DVD. But in this one you get a Blu-ray, a DVD, and a bonus disc. You can only get it at Wal-Mart, and I haven't really found that many unboxings like this on YouTube of this specific combo pack. So I thought I'd just do one. So first we all know Brad Pitt is in it. He's the main role. This is the bonus DVD, includes Studio 42. What I actually found odd is that if you get this at Walmart, it's like $20, but if you try to buy Blu-ray and DVD only, it's like $25. So you're actually getting more for less if you buy this one. I mean, I'm not trying to make this look like a commercial for Walmart or something because I don't like Walmart that much, but, you know, I'm just saying I would definitely buy this version. Rex reads that it's a great American movie that will leave you cheering, positively thrilling. And along the side we have Moneyball, big green letters, like a baseball field with a black background. I think that's the Columbia sign, yeah. Based on a true story, 3-disc combo pack, same spine as the other one. So, Moneyball renews your belief in the power of movies, says the Wall Street Journal. Let's take a look at these special features. Exclusive to Blu-ray, drafting the team, adapting Moneyball, MLB 12, the show preview trailer. Bonus DVD includes Studio 42, interview. Special features, deleted scenes, Billy Bean reinventing the game, blooper with Brad Pitt and Jonah Hill, Moneyball playing the game. So yeah, you have a lot there. So now I'm going to open it. Put the slipcase right here. As with most Blu-ray releases, the slipcase is pretty much the same as the actual case. Yeah, pretty much the same. Open this up. When you first open it, you have the code for that ultraviolet digital copy. If you go on for all of you people that have iTunes like me, you can go on their support website and ask for an iTunes digital copy if you want to exchange it. And then Sony reward slip, watch your favorite movies, Midnight in Paris, and I haven't seen the other one. I've seen Midnight in Paris, Social Network, Soul Surfer, and, you know. And get the book by Michael Lewis, Moneyball. On the back, kind of cool sort of picture, probably computer generated, but whatever. And then this is the Blu-ray right here, Moneyball in lit up letters against the black background. Flip that over, and this is the DVD, white background, black letters. That's the DVD. And then, this is the bonus disc that only comes with the Walmart version. That is one with the interview. Bonus disc. Green baseball field. The packaging is strangely bulky. Like, they could make a smaller packaging for one with only 3 discs. But, you know, overall the packaging is pretty sturdy. And, basically, there you have it. Got a nomination for Best Picture. Very good movie. If you're a baseball fan, I would definitely watch it. But even those who don't like baseball might find a pleasant surprise. So that's it. Get it at Walmart. 3-disc combo pack, Blu-ray, DVD, bonus DVD.